Hey, what's up, fam? It's your boy Darren Brown with Darmac Builders and Brightway Insurance, also known as The Builder, coming to you on a beautiful day in South Florida. Going to one of my projects now and make sure everything is going the way it's supposed to go, which I'm sure it is because I got the 18, on the job. I want to talk to you guys about, building. I get called often about people that want to build their homes. They want to build, they want to do their investment portfolio, and with their investment portfolio, they want to, sometimes they want to build their properties, which is no problem. You know what I mean? You can do that. I mean, it's not, you just got to have the right team with you when you decide to, cross that bridge. But one of the things you first got to find out is your land. This is one thing I'm going to talk about. I'm probably have different videos on this, but if you like this video, make sure you subscribe to this channel. Okay, hit the like button and share it. That's all you gotta do. If you want your boy out here dropping these gems on you, well, you gotta support the cause. So here's the thing. One of the things that you gotta do is when you find land, no two pieces of land are the same. No two lots are the same, okay? So just don't get it because you think, oh, this is a big lot that I can build 4 or 5 houses on it. It's this thing called zoning that's gonna change everything for you. You need to find out what that piece of land is zoned for and what you actually can build on it. Because if you don't get that information, you just go out there and purchase it, you may realize, and it may be a heartfelt realization that you cannot build what you thought you were gonna build on it. Give me an example. I had a person that came to me and said, hey, I got this acre of land, man. I think I can probably build, I can probably build, 4 or 5 houses on this acre. And I'm listening, and I'm like, okay, what is it zoned for? And then it got completely silent. I don't know, but I said, acre, I can build a lot of houses. I said, no, listen, this is what you got to do. You get ready to buy that thing with the intent on building 4 or 5 homes, and you realize that they tell you only can build 1 home per acre. And now what? Okay, so you don't budget it out for 4 or 5 homes on an acre of land, but the code says and the zoning says that you cannot build but 1 house on there. So it's very important to find out what the local zoning laws are for that city and for that lot before you do anything. Okay, you may think it's residential, it may be another commercial. You understand? Also, too, you need to find out too. Some cities have restrictions on the size of a lot. You may find a lot that's 50 by 100, it's 5,000 square foot lot. You'd be like, man, that's a nice lot. I can build on it, right? And it's in a residential community or whatever. But come to find out that the city a year ago put a moratorium saying that, hey, we don't want houses built on less than 6,000 square foot. Now, you know about this lot that's 5,000 square foot, but the city says that we don't want anything less than 6,000 square foot. You understand? You need to find those things out. The other thing you need to find out too is this. You need to find out sometimes it's frontage, right? You may have a lot that's 45 that may give you the square foot, 45 by 125 or whatever, 150 or whatever, that may give you 6,000 square foot, right? But they may say that the minimum frontage got to be 50 feet. Or 54 feet or 55 feet in the front. So that front, but you at 45, can't build on it. Okay, you got to go through a lot of road variances and all that kind of stuff. So you're spending money that you didn't think you had to spend. So I want to address those issues with you when it come on to buying your lots, knowing what it's zoned for, what you can build on it. Okay, don't make any assumptions. You can go on, everything's public record. It may take you, you may have to go down to the city and look it up or talk to somebody in zoning and show them what you got, and they'll tell you right then and there because that's what they do. But if you want those type of person that I'm going to buy it and find out later, then you're going to have to probably come out your pocket on some things that you could have completely avoided. All right. So again, this is your boy Darren Brown coming to you. Make sure you subscribe. Make sure you hit the like button and share it. I'm going to give it to you like I can. Until next time, peace.